No, go to the side door. Hi guys, right here, girl. Go. So I just did my sister's hair. Yeah. Now we're gonna go drop her back home. Exciting news, bro. Nah, keep going. Bro, I got a car. I finally got the car. I didn't have the car. So it's passed down in the family. My mom had it, and my sister had it, and now it's raining. Oh, fuck, bro. Now I have it. I don't want to drive in the rain, but no, I'm driving. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the car later. This is the car.
Is it a difference from this?
That's the cover.
Okay. This is
They have the bowl, taco salad, protein.
Can I get the burrito? No. Yeah, the burrito. What you get? What am I your video?
I'm not getting that yet. My foot's gonna get cold by the time I get back. So.
What's the difference with the white one and the white?
He's right. He works.
What's
He
the
asked
difference?
her. These are the white rice.
Hot sauce?
No,
I don't think you need that.
Yeah, no, it's not.
I'm not kind of. I don't know. I'm nervous about driving, but I think I got it.
Say you got my back, but it's that paper got you on me. Can I keep it real for a second, baby? Would you judge me? I can't lie, I ain't with the same system.
Guys, so yeah. I just made it back home. The ride back, driving on the fucking highway, wasn't bad. I quite enjoyed myself. I was blasting music, and I was just chilling. Now I did miss my exit once. And then I tried to get back onto my exit, and this fucking bitch ass car wouldn't fucking get out my way so I could merge into the links. I realized late that I had to go. It was a lot. Like, I was getting irritated. I was literally getting irritated, bro. That shit did it for me. So yeah, but that was cool. It was a cool drive. It's so hard to find parking where I stay at because everything requires parallel parking. And sweetheart, I don't know how to fucking parallel park for shit. I failed on the driver's test, so I'm just parking where they have retail and wait for my homegirl to come back and help me park the car. But I'm gonna have to learn, so trust me, we'll be going on adventures so I can keep practicing. And bro, tell me why I hit somebody's car. I went to the garage to park. Mind you, I can't park in the garage because I don't have like a key thing to say, I just got a car, so I don't have one. So as I parked, I called my homegirl's mom and I was telling her, she's like, no, don't park in the garage. Just don't risk getting booted, So I said, cool. So I was like, she's like, go find parking in retail, So as I was trying to back out, I guess I was too close to the headlight. So this is them, this is me, like backing out, and I said, When I said I panicked. I said, oh my God, what did I do? Oh, well, I just said, please God, I'm so sorry. I really wish I could, I was gonna put my number, my cash app on there, but no. Look, guys, I told you. Oh my God, my baby. Oh, my mom said she left stuff in the car for me just in case I might need them. What is all this? Windshield fluid. Oh, steering wheel fluid. Okay, W mom chat. I don't know what that is. That ain't got nothing to do with me. This is. Okay, hell yeah. Rims and shit. Wheel covers. Hey, my paint these gold. Paint these gold. Yeah. Okay. That's cool. I'm gonna make this a project car. So yeah, I just gotta clean it out. I've changed the seat covers, which I'm gonna do probably tomorrow, and buy the stuff to replace this so it could be Bluetooth. And I need to find floor mats and everything's getting changed in this car, guys. But this is what it looks like. I don't know what to name her yet. Still trying to figure that out. But yeah, let's see the back. Oh, it's locked. What am I doing? Guys, last time I'm everywhere, I really mean I'm everywhere. Like, my mind is everywhere. Okay. That's what the back looked like. I really hope these car seats fit this type of car, not gonna lie. Yeah, AK with a car now. yeah. I thank God. Like, I just thank God. I really come this far. And it's only blessings up from now. Like, that's it. So, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all when I go make this video inside the house. I'm gonna show y'all what I bought for the car and like other stuff. This is the perfume. I fuck with this. It's Choco Musk. Yeah. Okay, so a lot of these I didn't pay for. I got it for free because I think I cut them just got some type of offer and had to spend like $30-some or pay for like some items to get some free. So I got like 4 free, and then I had lied and said I didn't get a certain package, and it was like $50-something. So I got it back in credits, and I just went, yeah, I was like, fuck it. But let me see. This is so cute. It's so pretty. Is it good? Oh wow. Okay, that smells good. It smells good for sure, but shit, I sprayed too much. Oh, that's my tripod. Wait, doesn't it come with a remote? Yep. It's called this. If y'all want to check it out, get it. Yeah. So I got another perfume, Vanilla Skin. I did. Yeah. No, I don't. No, I don't like that. Oh, that stinks. The comments with the secret. The comments lie. Y'all lie. Y'all played in my face. On my phone case. Let's go band for band. I'm on that. Oh, this for the cars. Like a windshield. Oh, windshield shit. Ooh. Oh, okay. Okay, that's cool shit. I'm not gonna put this back in. Okay. It's a arm seat. Okay. Cover. Okay. Just this and stuff. That's cute. Oh, what is this? Oh, the jewelry case. Yes. Wait, this is so cute. This thing is still. These are kind of small. That one opens. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, that is so cute. I'm gonna figure out the cameras. And then, ooh, this is pretty. Wow. And they're stainless steel, so yay. My niggas back like Kodak. No, I gotta figure out how to put this on. Yeah, and this stainless steel, guys. Ooh, this is nice. It's mamita. Oh, yes. This is on quoted. Let me see. How do I get this bad boy? Let me see if I'm gonna wear it like this. And this. Yeah. Here's the back. No, I see. Okay. kind of small. More than I thought it would be. Oh yeah, the microfiber towels for the car. Okay. Oh my gosh, it is the bracelet. Oh. Yep. Wow. I'm gonna go buy the silver one, the silver and gold one. Yeah, because these are cute. Real cute. This one, I'm just. This is cute. I should let that hang like right. A tree. We Miami, turn it up a little late. Quality on these feel good. Oh wow. It's so cute. I love it. I love it. But I have no necklaces. Like an everyday type of necklace. Yeah. I got underwears. Ooh, these are cute. Oh yeah, I got press on nails. Oh. So this is on the ground. Then you screw this on. Okay. See, I bought good stuff that I could actually use, you know? Not just buying shit. Yeah. Oh yeah. Isn't that stuff in here? Oh, what? Oh, this is the other steering wheel cover. Oh, this is what I'm looking for. Oh, this is a cover for the. Wait, no, actually no. Yeah, that's cute like that. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, that would be nice if that actually. I feel like matches. I mean, like the texture of the vibe. Okay. Yeah, I like that like that. And I just gotta put this shit in my car. This gonna be an interesting workout, bro. Ooh wee. Okay. Now for the main one. These baby scissors, bro. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. Wait, is it tucked under? Yes, it does. Okay. Does this come up? Or? This is the back. You put it over it. You unzip here, the hair part. Okay. Okay. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the vlog for tonight. For today. Yeah. Make sure to check out my Instagram at the 𝐦𝐿𝐲𝐬. It's still the same as my YouTube. And my TikTok was the same, except it's d.𝐦𝐿𝐲.baby. Because I have 2 accounts. Well, one of them I don't use no more. So, yeah. I'm using my new one. And, yeah. Check out my other videos. See what I'm talking about. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.